Okay guys, so as I was eating and this thing came, and whenever I receive a FedEx, it means something special is inside. And so yeah, by the way, this is what I was eating. Jollibee Chicken Joy with burger patty. And of course, everybody knows, if you are Filipino, the Jollibee Yum Burger with Coke. You can't go wrong with it. And I also have a spaghetti. So anyway, this is not about a review on Jollibee or unboxing about Jollibee. This is about the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit MXBS. That's a handful. Black oxide. And I'm very excited about this because this is at the moment one of a kind from Victorinox Swiss tool, because it's a one-hand opening. And so let's open this baby up. I'll try to use the Leatherman juice that I recently got, because I want to test its performance. So yeah, and that's it. Later I'll compare the size of this thing to okay. What else is inside? Nothing. And this is it from Raika, Singapore. Raika Military SG. So I think these guys are suppliers of military equipments. While others cannot get it, they actually can. So according to them, there's supposed to be no box for this one, but fortunately it came with one, and I don't know if this is an original. Box for this particular model. Okay, there's so much bubble wrap in here, and I don't want to force it open. I want to preserve the box, although I think the box is not original box. I'm not sure if Victorinox is actually releasing a box for it, or its dedicated box. For sure, the number is not the number is not same as the serial number or model number for the Victorinox. And so let's open this up. This is actually my for a Swiss tool, this is actually my second one. The first one that, sorry for this guys, this is a tight box. Yeah, this is not the original one. The first one I got was I think maybe I was in grade school, and I don't even know if it's an original Victorinox. The second one is I recently got, which is, I'll This is my second one, an original, because I bought it from a local dealer, and this is the third one. I have a fourth one, which is going to be given by my girlfriend for Christmas, so I can't wait. Actually, she can give it to me earlier, hopefully in a couple of days. But yeah, so this, the box that came with it's for sure not the original one. Not the, it's an original, but it's not for this particular model. And so let me shut up and give you a focus of what is inside the box. Okay. Compared to the Leatherman 4.5-inch sheet, this is from the Leatherman Signal Aqua. Here it is. Okay. I hope they did not put the wrong item inside. Snug fit, but not that snug. Okay, let me show you my reaction. So later, this is the sheet that it came with. This around yeah, that seems around 4-inch. This is a nice sheet. I think this is a yeah, it's a nylon coated with rubber. This is a rubbery feel on it, and so yeah, this is a nice touch. This looks military. Yeah, I think it won't budge or won't come loose, especially while well, I'm at work, and sometimes you get snug on every possible things you can imagine, especially when I'm carrying a patient on stairs. So I have to have a good sheet for anything that I'm carrying. Okay, so that's about it. And this is it. Let me rub it with something because I touched it and my fingerprints are in here. So let me get a light. Okay, so this is it. According to some that I have articles that I have read, or some forum, this is from issued for the Australian military. So this is a one-hand opening, and there is a satisfying click on it. So this is the first time that I handled a Victorinox whistle. Okay, for on the right side, let me compare. Okay, the Leatherman is also a one-hand opening. This is rated part. Let me compare it. This is definitely smoother. It's like there is I cannot this yeah, this there's a satisfying click, and it's like you can feel the friction in here. Yeah, and here you can actually feel that it's smoother, and it's like how can I say this? There is a film between the metal to metal. Here you can feel that it's a bare metal to metal, but I'm not discounting this one. This the action is really good as well, but there's something you can feel on your sensory. Yeah, it's like there is a lubricate. It's not a lubrication, but this is, you can feel that it feels like a plastic, but it's not. That's how polished it is. This is bare metal to metal. It will go down to your preference, I should say, but I think I'm liking this. Okay, so that's just the first two tools. Let me open this up. This is a new tool. This has been opened. Okay, I think it's, yeah, it's, I can't say that it's smoother. Yeah, this is tight, but I like it that way. The action is, okay, I think the edge is on the Leatherman Wave, but forget about it. Let's just focus on in here. And this is, I think, a good size. I wish Victorinox has, if I am going to daily carry it, I mean every day for casual walks, when I'm wearing shorts, walking shorts, gartered shorts, I would like to have it as short as this one, so it could save some weight. And let me show you, guys, everything here is just it's like polished. It's not just the black oxide where something is, sorry, but I cannot pull the scissors. That was the screwdriver. This is the scissors. Okay, the mechanism is in this part. Okay, so it locks. Forgive me guys, I cannot just, okay, there is a can opener and a flathead screwdriver. Another one, and so let's go to the other side. This is, wow, this is the owl, and yeah, it looks like you can stab someone with this. There is a hook. There's some oil on it, lubrication. I think there is a spring mechanism in here, unlike yeah, you can definitely, this one is smoother, and there is some, even going backwards, there is a spring mechanism in here. There is none. Within the, so compared to the Leatherman, the mechanism is different. It locks on its position when the lock engaged. Unlike this one, the spring mechanism is actually working before closing and right before opening. So the only thing I would want more with this is a removable or replaceable wire cutter. I do use this a lot, especially when I'm changing guitar strings. And I used my Leatherman squirt for that job just to test it, but it developed some small nicks and I don't want to continue using it. It can do it, even the largest guitar string, it can definitely cut it in a snap, but it will get a lot of nicks, and eventually it will not cut anymore. So overall, I'd like to step this aside for now. Comparison when it's closed. So this is from smallest or longest to shortest. Let me show you this. Okay, let me just move the camera. and show. So here it is, comparison between them. It's hard to see because it's colored black, but let me bring you the light. So it feels so nice on touch. It's not that big actually, it's a medium sized, but yeah, definitely depends on what you like. This is a bit rough on the edges, but yeah, it's more tactile than this one. It's, I think, lighter as well, and you can look up on the specs on it. I don't have it right now. This definitely beefier, more robust, and the pliers on this one's just enormous. So I think this is about the same size or in same volume as this one. This one is a little bigger. Actually, it's bigger because of the sides, but it's almost the same. Okay, so that's about it, guys. I am going to post a video soon about review on this one, as when I get to use it for some time. Okay, so let me just show you some pictures after this.